Customer is looking to get an estimate to have a walkway put in. So this is going to be a brick walkway, and it's going to start at the steps right here. It's going to flare to the steps, which is 9 feet wide, and it's going to flare down to 6 feet wide, and it's going to go straight. All right, so right now it curves off to the side. It's actually going to go straight out to the road, and that's 70 feet. We are going to bid this 6 feet wide for the straight run that we have here, and then at the sidewalk, it's actually going to bump out to 12 feet. So it's 6 feet, and then it'll bump out 3 feet on each side for approximately 3 feet. Okay, and I say approximately because it's going to be, the sidewalk is actually at an angle there. So we're going to say it's going to be like 2.5 feet over here, and it's going to be like 4.5 feet over here from front to back. So think of it like a pad on the far side that he's going to put a gate around, and he wants to be able to put some urns on there. So Sherry, if you can do a sketch above this just so he can kind of see what this is. So the side, the steps right here are 9 feet wide, so left to right. He is going to do this in a herringbone, and for the side, it's not going to actually be, it's going to be a sailor course, but it's going to be a double sailor course, and the second sailor course is going to be up and down. It's going to definitely be a little more tedious, but if you can imagine, he has a picture of it, and if he decides to go forward, I'll have him send the picture. But so the sailor course, instead of going side, these are soldier course. The sailor course, so this is soldier course. Sailor course, the sides go front to back. So that's going to go front to back on both sides. But then there's another sailor crossing the other side where the pavers are actually sitting in the vertical application. So half of it is buried and half of it is above ground, and he really likes that. So let's call it, if these are 8-inch pavers, then let's call 3-ish inches of it are above ground. So it's going to take a little bit of finagling, because even as I think about it right now, that sailor course and the outside sailor course are going to have to be kind of set separately than the other ones, because we have to dig down deeper. That's going to be an interesting one. But yeah, so but it's herringbone, so make sure we charge extra for the cuts, because we're going to have a bit of waste that goes on through here. Let's see. I think that's it. The brick color is kind of this orange, the orangey look that we have right here. So if he decides to go forward, then we'll go ahead and bring out some samples and get that verified. So, but this is for next year. This is for 2019. He has a bunch of work that he has to do, and he has some fence work as well. So, but all these shrubs should be torn out, and we'll be able to have access through here. Presumably, we'll probably take this out and fill it in. This is a 4.5 foot wide. So, also note there, he just put an irrigation through here. He's like, I realize he shouldn't have done it, but it's in this general range right here. He'll mark it for us. But yeah, 70 feet, 6 feet wide, with a 12 feet total width over there, 2.5 on the right side and 4.5 on the left side.